On why they're not manifesting their greatness. They will always be able to point those things out, but none of those things count. The only thing that counts are results. And results don't lie, ladies and gentlemen. They tell it all. Judge a tree by the fruit that it bears, not the ones that it might talk about, not the ones that it might wish for.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so I wasn't even planning to vlog tonight, right? But then I was preparing dinner and I saw something. No. Something happened today that I have to tell you guys. So you see this thing? Look at it very well. Guess how much they wanted to sell it to me for? 400 naira. Look at it! 400 naira. 400 naira. I'm telling you, the first Dubai prince I see, I'm getting pregnant for him, period, okay? Because I can't do this any longer. The first Dubai prince. So if you know anybody, hit your girl up. Hey queen, welcome back to another weekly vlog. Oh my god, you guys, I've been vlogging. I don't know when the vlog is at point. But yeah, so listen, I just got back from work, so I'm like crack tired. I bought a trash can. Guys, can we talk about how they never make plastic in reasonable colors? What the fuck is this? I asked if you have an all black. The lady says they don't make it in all black. People have aesthetics they have to keep up with. It was either this or an all orange trash can. I'm like, yeah, no. Yeah, so I got this for, well, the woman said the price was what, 2.7, but hold on, but I got it for 2.5. Because first of all, I'm wearing this bonnet because I look cute in it, but also because my hair is a fucking disaster. So yeah, and I do want to, I'm taking it off this weekend, but I just hope it comes in time. The shampoo at the salon where I do my hair, I don't think it's working. I know it's not working for me. At first, like the first time I washed my hair there, my hair was itchy throughout the entire hairdo, right? And then I thought it was me, that I thought I didn't cream my hair, or I didn't, you know, stuff like that. So the next time I like washed it, no, I didn't wash it, sorry, but like I creamed it, like I took my creams there and everything, I creamed it once, and yeah, nothing. So I just want to wash it by myself. So yeah, and I've used Mega Growth for years and years, so I trust them in my hair.
People that say they have dreams or want to open a business or want to do something differently than what they're now doing, they don't like their jobs, they're unhappy, they're unfulfilled. People who say they want to improve their income level, look at how they spend their time. How they spend their time, the commitment of their time, how they use that will really tell the truth. People who said, I'd like to do better, but you don't find them in vocational or technical schools upgrading their skills and their knowledge, how they spend their time, that will tell you what's going on. People who say they want to normalize their weight, they want to be healthy, but every time you see them, they're eating, that will tell you that they're committed to being obese for the rest of their lives. People tell you they want to stop smoking and they're lighting up at that time. Folk that say, I want to stop drinking, and every time you're in their face, they're reeking with alcohol, that will tell you what's going on.
You guys, I made too much toast and now I'm so full. Sorry about the fan and the movie, but but we're about to order our shit now, so. Oh, okay. Bye.
Regrets is a real thing. Tell me why. As soon as I ordered, I got debited. I'm seeing cheaper options of the tripod I wanted. Why? Why? But anyways, like, at least the one I actually got was a cheaper option of the first one I saw. So yeah, but all the reviews are good, and yeah, I mean, Jimmy has not failed me so far, so, you know, we're G. You guys, I'm watching the 3rd season of Manifest. I'm not bored. I'm annoyed. Like, if you've seen Manifest, let me know. But, first of all, this guy, I don't even want to even know his name self. They are, I can't even remember anybody's name. Michaela, her brother. Oh my god, this guy has such a superhero complex. Cause what in the actual fuck? I need to save everybody is so fucking irritating. Like, give it a break.
I don't think that as a participant in life, you cannot be committed. You're either committed to mediocrity or you're committed to greatness. You're either committed to being productive or you're committed to being non-productive. You're committed to being happy or you're committed to being unhappy. See, whatever you're doing, however you spend your time, that tells you who you are. So think about what it is you like to create in your life experience. Once I look at how you commit your time, once I do an evaluation on how you spend your time, I can tell you exactly what you're committed to. People that say they have dreams or want to open a business or want to do something differently than what they're now doing, they don't like their jobs, they're unhappy, they're unfulfilled. People who say
Hey guys. Oh my god. How are you guys doing? Happy Saturday, you guys. It's been raining all fucking day, and I wanted to go to Mendy, that's how they say, right? Mendy, to get like stuff basically, and it's been raining, and it just stopped raining and it's like past 3 right now. Before I get there, do what I want to do and get back, it will get dark. Anyways, long story short, there was a document I was supposed to submit yesterday, being Friday, like a physical copy, right? So it was ready. It was ready. Sorry, I literally just ended it. It was ready, but your procrastination queen thought, I'll submit it at the end of the day. Guess who forgot to submit it? This girl. I remembered around 9 because I was just randomly thinking about work, and I'm like, oh shit. I texted my colleague. I'm like, look, what do you do? So he was like, he told me what to do, and then I didn't even do it yet last night. It's urgent and important, but I didn't do it last night. God, my hand, I can't find my tripod. No, I can find my tripod, it's just like far. But anyways, my hands are hurting. So I still woke up. This is your girl. If God is not with me, honestly, I don't know what I won't even get out of bed, because like God just runs my shit for me. Anyways, I woke up very early this morning, like around 6. Was on my phone, watched a movie, watched YouTube. Then after a while, got up, did a little skincare, self-care. So, you know, like a shower routine, all of that. And then I took out the puff from my hair because I'm about to take out my hair. And oh, my arm. I'm sorry. and then after that I started working. Anyways, I just sent the I literally just sent the documents now, and yeah.
Ticket witness report. Anything involved in 8th grader. They want us to follow up.
Yeah, that explains Ben. They're targeting passengers.
All I know is this is bigger than just the NYPD. This is bigger than the U.S. Apparently, this clampdown is gone.
Hey guys, happy Sunday. So I got my hair done. I did it myself. Okay, so you guys know that I ordered the makeup girls. You guys know that I ordered the makeup girls, you know, shampoo, conditioner, and all of that, but it's not here yet. And I was supposed to get my hair done this weekend. Today is Sunday. I was supposed to get my hair done this weekend, but my hair just like needs, you know, the TLC before another hairstyle. So this is like an in-between hairstyle. So if you guys remember the locks I had from, I'll put a picture here. I used like the ones that were left. Like I didn't use everything from when I did the hair that year. So I was just like, I had this vision in my mind, because I'm like, I need an in-between style because someone is coming over. I'll take us that later, but yeah, so I just used the strands from that one so you guys can see. Yeah, I just used the strand from that one, and then from the stuff I just took out now, I made like a little bun, and then I wrapped this around. I wanted to make like a tutorial, but this was my first time doing it, so this is not a cute angle, but this is my first time doing it, so I didn't want to do a tutorial and mess up. And plus I was just like in the mood, like I started watching The 100, so I was just watching my movie and doing it, but it turned out really good. I really liked it. The only issue now is you know, like you can see that the hair towards the ends here are not really slick, so I'm going to use like the gorilla thingy to work on that. But I really like it. Let me know what you guys think, and if you want a tutorial, because my arm, this is definitely going to be like an in-between style for me from now on.